Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel offer Amazon. Today I discuss you about best robot vacuum cleaner for home. It is hard to keep a house clean, only if you have to do it yourself. But what if I tell you that you can employ a robot for help? In the age of the smart device, why not make robot take over the tedious chore of cleaning your home? Whether it's a ceramic floor or a carpet rug that you need to look impeccable, you have a robot who does it all. And if you want to come to a clean home, just instruct your robot via a mobile command and yes, he will get things done for you. A robotic vacuum cleaner or a RoboVac is a smart device and a limited vacuum cleaning device that does the cleaning operations, carpets, hardwood floor, pet hair autonomously without human control. It can be also used for mopping and sterilization purposes alongside vacuuming. We highly recommend you to read the Robot Vacuum Cleaner Buying Guide after the list of RoboVacs to get in-depth knowledge about all the latest technologies. Best Robot Vacuum Cleaner in India. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. And if you buy from this link, the channel will help you. Number 5 on my list, ILIFE A9's English Vacuum and Mopping Cleaner with Water Tank and Virtual Wall. The smartphone app control feature makes this ILIFE A9's one ideal robot vacuum cleaner to have in your home. Besides, this robot vacuum cleaner proves its versatility by delivering a decent vacuuming and mopping performance. Higher efficiency, upgraded panel view navigation system, interchangeable roller brushes, pioneering vibrating water tank technology, 4 cleaning modes, mobile app control. This robot vacuum cleaner is unique as it allows you to control and operate it using a smartphone app. Thus, you have the A9s in your palm every time. You can perform various tasks like starting a cleaning cycle, setting cleaning schedules, creating real-time maps, switching cleaning modes, getting error alerts, and checking the accessories' consumable life using the app. The A9s offer a complete AI experience as the machine returns to the docking station for recharging its batteries. On completing the recharge, it resumes the unfinished work from the spot it left. This ILIFE A9's vacuum cleaner uses a Gen 3 Cyclone power cleaning system to clean your home in 3 steps. It comprises specifically tailored side brushes to direct the debris towards the cleaning path. The roller brush situated at the bottom removes dust. It works on robust suction power and a large dustbin to ensure maximum debris pickup. This A9's robot vacuum cleaner's sterling feature is that it possesses 4 cleaning modes to take care of your different vacuuming needs. The auto mode cleans along a zigzag path to maximize area coverage and is the best mode for cleaning hard floors. The spot mode is perfect for deep cleaning a designated area. The edge mode contributes by removing debris from the edges of the walls and corners. The max mode works on more substantial suction power to deliver an impeccable cleaning job. The A9s offers excellent features like OBS all-terrain detection system with anti-collision and anti-fall functions. This vacuum cleaner comes with 22 sets of terrain detection sensors to provide a complete cleaning experience. It features a large 450 ml dustbin that does not require frequent emptying. The miniature size allows this machine to navigate underneath your furniture. The obstacle-avoiding wheels can overcome 1.5 cm obstacles comfortably. Thus, it reduces human involvement in the cleaning process. Pros. This machine is a fast performer as it can clean a 1500 square feet room in about 50 minutes. The max mode cleaning is an excellent feature. The remote controlling option is convenient. Cons. Sheets of paper or doormats can cause the machine to jam. It does not retain the house map after the cleaning process. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 4 on my list, ECOVACSDEEBOT U2 Pro Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. People having pets in their homes would love to have the ECOVACSDEEBOT U2 Pro Vacuum Cleaning Machine to eliminate everything from dirt, stains, and pet hair from their rooms. OZMO mopping technology compatible with ECOVACS app Pet Care Kit, a range of cleaning modes, max mode with a 110-minute runtime. Most Indian homes having hard flooring opt for this robot vacuum cleaner as their trusted companion. This machine follows an advanced back and forth cleaning pattern to deliver a systematic and thorough cleaning job. The best aspect of this appliance is that it remembers its path, allowing you to pause the cleaning in the middle and resuming it from the same spot. This vacuum cleaner features an upgraded all-around vacuum and mopping function to deal with dirt and stains effectively. The upgraded dustbin and reservoir provide a balanced system to clean the rooms in one go using a single battery charge and one water fill. The pet care kit is a significant highlight that helps you handle the cleaning job even during the strenuous shedding seasons when your rooms could be full of pet hair. The tangle-free brush proves handy to remove large hair volumes. This machine features one of the largest dustbins amongst its peers. The 800 ml dustbin proves handy to collect large hair volumes and other dust comfortably. The DEEBOT U2 Pro can work for up to 110 minutes continuously. Therefore, it is an ideal machine to clean your home in one go. The 2600 mAh battery might not be the best in the industry, but it should prove ideal for an average-sized Indian home. A stunning quality is its magnetic boundary stripe that ensures the machine does not transgress its borders. Thus, you can set boundaries for the device and have your privacy simultaneously. The magnetic stripe prevents the device from crossing the line. Pros: it does an impressive vacuuming and mopping job. The default suction mode should suffice for your daily usage. The magnetic stripe boundary is a good feature. Cons: the magnetic stripe is not part of the original package. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 3 on my list, ECOVACSDEEBOTOZMOT8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Deebot OZMOT8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent household companion to have because it senses everything and cleans everywhere. The advanced technology involved in the cleaning process ensures your house does not have a speck of dust floating around. True Detect 3D technology, True Mapping System, Multi-Flow Mapping, Wet and Dry Cleaning, 5200 mAh battery, 180 minutes working time, 1 year warranty. The Deebot OZMOT8 Robot Vacuum Cleaner works with a clear strategy. The True Mapping technology allows it to map your home with twice the coverage and 4 times the accuracy. It creates flow maps within seconds to enhance the overall cleaning efficiency. Obstacles can impede the robot vacuum cleaner's progress through the house. The T8 overcomes this handicap using the True Detect 3D technology that enables the vacuum cleaner to move about your home freely without colliding with any furniture. This robot vacuum cleaner is the homemaker's darling because the Pro oscillating mopping system removes stubborn stains 5 times more efficiently than humans. The OZMOT8 has an advantage as it is capable of multi-flow mapping. It helps you to customize where you would like the appliance to clean. It uses advanced map management techniques to map different areas in your home accurately. It is also possible for you to set boundaries for this vacuum cleaner. The appliance does not cross these boundaries while vacuuming and mopping. Thus, you have your privacy while the machine does its job efficiently. This robot vacuum cleaner is unique because it can sense the presence of carpets. It automatically increases its suction power when vacuuming. Simultaneously, it avoids carpets when mopping. Hence, it is an intelligent companion to have in your home. Pros: a high degree of efficiency when vacuuming and mopping. The 2-in-1 function makes it an endearing product. Easy to clean the bin and water tank. Cons: at times, it misplaces the charging dock in the map. Though excellent for regular floor cleaning, it is not ideal for heavily soiled floors. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 2 on my list, iRobot Roomba 971 Vacuum Cleaning Robot. iRobot Roomba 971 is as close to a perfect vacuum cleaning robot you can get. It comes with unique features to qualify as one of the best robotic vacuum cleaner in India. Continuous cleaning capacity, better suction power, compatibility with other robot mops, 3-stage cleaning system, VSLAM navigation technology. iRobot Roomba 971 is an ideal appliance to have in your home, especially if you have children and pets cohabitating. Pet hair can be challenging to remove from the floors and carpets. This robotic vacuum cleaner is highly effective when it comes to removing pet hair because it uses unique multi-flow brushes and 5 times more suction power than the previous version of the appliance. It features a premium 3-stage cleaning system powered by a robust vacuum cleaner motor capable of spinning at 10,000 revolutions per minute to deliver 5 times more suction, especially when it encounters carpets and hard floors. This vacuum cleaner works best in combination with the Braver M6 Robot Mop, where you can do an automatic mopping job after the completion of the vacuum cleaning activity. This robot vacuum cleaner uses VSLAM navigation technology to create an accurate map of your home. Thus, it can reach out to every corner of your house and do a thorough vacuuming job. This robot can gather data at astonishing speeds using the 1.3 GHz quad-core processor. It comes equipped with high-quality sensors to avoid collision with your furniture and other items in the room. The iRobot Roomba 971 connects with your Wi-Fi network and is compatible with your smartphone, whereby you can control and monitor the cleaning through a dedicated smartphone app. One of the best features of this robotic vacuum cleaner is the automatic recharging and resuming functionality if the battery power goes below a stipulated level. The Dirt Detect technology helps to identify the smallest speck of dust on the floor. Pros: excellent performance as it cleans the room thoroughly, makes as little noise as possible when working, displays the map of the cleaned area, supports Google Home. Cons: starts mapping on every run because it does not remember the home layout. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Number 1 on my list, Ecovacs Dbot OZMO 950 Robotic Vacuum Cleaner 2-in-1 Vacuuming and Mopping. This Dbot OZMO 950 is different from the Dbot 500 discussed earlier because this machine is a 2-in-1 vacuuming and mopping appliance. It is also one of the most hygienically sound vacuum cleaner around. Simultaneously vacuum and mop, removes up to 99.26% of bacteria. Smart Navi 3.0 technology, 3 hours of battery life, 3 levels of suction power, multi-flow mapping. The Dbot OZMO 950 is amongst the sturdiest models available in India. It comes equipped with a 5200 mAh battery capable of cleaning up to 300 square meters on a single charge. The Japanese-made brushless fan ensures longer life and consumption of lower energy while working as silently as possible. This vacuum cleaner comes with different cleaning modes. The Max Plus mode activates when you need a deep cleaning job. The suction power of 1500 pascals is one of the most powerful. The OZMO mopping technology uses an innovative electric water pump and tank to ensure that the appliance vacuums and mops the floor simultaneously. An exciting feature of this appliance is the carpet detection functionality. This cleaner detects the carpets and avoids mopping them. At the same time, it can increase its suction power while vacuuming over carpets. The multi-flow mapping technology allows the appliance to scan and store multiple maps of different levels of your home. Thus, it enables you to customize accordingly. The Ecovacs Home app helps you to create virtual boundaries if you do not want your vacuum cleaner to enter specific areas. The custom mode allows you to draw and designate on the map, whereby the robotic vacuum cleaner concentrates on those areas to deliver the highest levels of efficiency. This cleaner features an updated Smart Navi 3.0 laser mapping and navigation technique that helps the robot to move around your home effortlessly without any collisions. This robotic vacuum cleaner goes back to its docking station for recharging automatically. Pros: simultaneous vacuuming and mopping is a unique feature. This cleaner avoids mopping the carpets, thereby proving it is a smart appliance. Comes with an excellent battery life, fantastic build quality. Cons: does not work with Wi-Fi 5 GHz. The app cannot be operated from the cloud. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.